Welcome to Physics Simplified with Bukola. The question says a train traveling at 54 kilometers per hour accelerates uniformly at 2 meters per second square for half a minute. We're asked to find the distance traveled in this time. So how do we solve that problem? Solution. The first value we are given here, 54 kilometers per hour, is the initial velocity. So u is 54 kilometers per hour, and then accelerates uniformly at 2 meters per second square. That's a. So a is 2 meters per second square. Then for half a minute, that is our t. T is half minute. Then find the distance traveled, that's s. So we're looking for s. Now, before I decide on the formula of linear motion to use in solving this problem, I'm checking to see for what I call unit consistency. I see kilometers per hour here, and I see meters per second square here. Definitely, I'll have to change this to meters per second. So what is 54 kilometers per hour in meters per second? Now, 36 kilometers per hour is the same thing as 10 meters per second. It means that 1 kilometer per hour is 10 over 36 meters per second. Therefore, 54 kilometers per hour will now be 10 over 36 times 54. And that will give me 15 meters per second. So 15 meters per second. All right. So I will just change this to 15 meters per second. Now my time also is in minutes. Half a minute is 30 seconds because a minute is 60 seconds. So half is 30 seconds. Now, having converted my unit to what will help me to solve directly, the next thing now is which of the equations of motion will I use to solve for this problem. Now we have three equations of linear motion. Let me list them out here again for us to look at. Now I have the first one, v equals to u plus at. V equals to u plus at. The second one, v squared equals to u squared plus 2as. Well, the third one is s. That's number 3. S is equals to ut plus half at squared. Now, looking at this problem, because I have my u, my a, my t, the equation of motion that contains all the given values in the question as we have been given is equation number 3. So I'm going to use number 3 to solve for this problem. So using s is equals to ut plus half at squared, I now have that my s is u, which is 15, multiplied by t, 30, then plus half times a, 2, then times t squared, that's 30 squared. 30 squared. Now, what is 15 by 30? 15 times 30 is 450. Then plus half multiplied by 2 will give me 1. And 1 times 30 squared is 900. So that's 900. Now, 450 plus 900, that will give me 1,350 meters. So the distance covered by this train in this question is 1,350 meters.